Hey howdy, hey Populous, welcome back to another super special awesome showing of Panda Dumpa Show, particularly Nothing About Nothing in Particular. And on my last excursion, I was talking to you about how I freaking rocked Yu-Gi-Oh! Regionals Anaheim, and so now I'm going to say how awesome my friends are, and for the sheer fact that they participated with me, and I'm pretty sure that everybody did really well, or at least even if they didn't do well. I'm just proud of them in general because it's a step above, especially when you're playing against people that are competitive and stuff. So it takes a different type of finesse. But I really hope that this is an eye-opening experience for everybody, especially today or yesterday. Played in Yu-Gi-Oh! Regionals. That I mean, just the game's fun, but like, there's a whole totally different level to playing a children's card game, which is really ridiculous. And I can't believe I can believe that I actually said that, because people take a children's card game way too seriously sometimes. But it's fun, and it's something to delve yourself into and kind of immerse yourself in, because, like, I mean, if you don't find some niches that, you know, kind of support you for who you are and the people that you love, it's like going through life choosing one flavor of ice cream over and over and over, and that's it. It's the only thing that you do, like, literally, and that's all that you eat too. And by the end of your living span, you become lactose intolerant and you're probably a diabetic. And what do we learn from this? Moral of the story is, don't choose the same type of ice cream. Branch out and be adventurous. Or just play Yu-Gi-Oh! And just have fun. Or something. Something to that effect. I don't know. Whatever the case. So tired. I'm going to swap hands for the next vlog. Side note for me, anyway. Okay, I'm gonna go. This has been Panda Dumpa Show, particularly Nothing About Nothing in Particular. I hope you had fun walking, talking, and loving Yu-Gi-Oh! With me. Even if you don't love Yu-Gi-Oh! You guys are awesome. Thanks for being a fantastic pot of pandas, and I will see you in a couple days. More good. Dump. What? Anyway. Dump.